Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore closing document review with DocuSign for real estate step by step clearly. To restore closing document review with DocuSign for real estate, first, log into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Manage tab on the main dashboard. In the Manage section, locate the Envelopes option on the left sidebar. Search for the envelope containing the closing documents you need to restore. Click on the envelope to open it and review the details. If the envelope is in voided status, you will see the option to restore it. Click the Restore button to re-enable the envelope for further action. After restoring, navigate to the Document tab within the envelope. Review the closing documents to ensure they are correct and complete. If changes are necessary, click on the Edit button to make adjustments. Once modifications are done, save your changes and exit the editing window. Next, add recipients if needed or modify existing recipient roles. Confirm that all recipient information is accurate before moving forward. Once everything is set, click Send to initiate the document review process. Monitor the progress in the Manage tab to ensure all parties are signing as intended. If any issues arise, revisit the envelope for further adjustments. After all signatures are complete, download or save the finalized documents for your records. This process will help ensure a smooth closing document review with DocuSign for real estate transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.